Hey guys, welcome to Valley Engineering. I've got a part 2 on building our airplane wing. I already did a video on building the main spar for the wing, so if you missed that, check it out. And today I'm going to be building the rear spar, so I'll get the camera turned around here and show you what I've got laid out. So what our main spar consists of are these 1¼ inch tubes that will be welded together. I've already got these welded together. They'll get welded every foot on both sides. I'll stagger the welds and they'll just be butted together and welded up, and then it will need to be 24 feet long also to match the main spar. So once I get these 12-footers welded together, the cabin section is 22 inches wide. So this will be the straight section for the cabin, and then our wing has taper in the cord, so I'll need to weld on the 12-foot onto either end and give that a taper to match the taper of the wing. And so the first step is to get these welded together, and then I'll get my fixture set up with my taper, and I'll get everything set up and welded together. So to get these welded together, all I do is I lay them on a flat surface and use these little spring clamps just to squeeze them together. I've marked every foot where weld goes, so I'll just come back and weld all the way down the 12-foot piece every foot, and then I'll roll it over and do the same on the other side. So I've got everything welded up now. Both sides are welded. It gets welded every foot and only gets, I don't know, about an inch long weld at each spot, and the welds are staggered so they're not straight across from each other on either side. So I'll get this table set up, and then I'll get everything cut and fit into that and welded together. So there I have it set up in my fixture, and it's ready to weld. That's got my taper that I'll need to match up with the front spar, and all I do is I give it a miter joint, and then I just slide them together, and I'll weld that all the way around, and then it'll get a piece of reinforcement across the back side for that joint there, and that's the rear spar. So that's all there is to that. So now that I've got the main spar welded up and the rear spar welded up, the next thing to do is to get them into position and connected with the X-bracing. So I'll get that in the next video, and that's all I've got for this video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.